Hi, I'm Walkster1970. Today I'm going to be installing this brush kit that I picked up off of eBay, I think it was, for my Roomba 560. I think it is a 560. Part number X002WCGAQD. Let's open it up and see what's inside. We got a replacement brush. And here is our brush assembly. Should be pretty straightforward. And then came with a little screwdriver. Let's turn it like this. And let's get started. First thing I want to do is flip her over. And it should be these screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I already took the old brush assembly off because the gears messed up inside of it. Take my screwdriver. Take these 4 screws off. Lift this off. Should be able to. Oh. It's okay. It's okay. A little dusty in here. Should probably blow all this out. That's pretty clean. It looks like there is a screw here. And a screw down here. I did not have to loosen this one up. I guess you can loosen it up if you want to get into the gears. See what's actually screwed up with it. See what it looks like. Oh yeah, you can see the gears are stripped. It's missing a number off of there. That's why it was intermittently working. You can see down in here, got a set of contacts. I'm gonna make sure that they are the same. That looks pretty close to me. Sit that down in there. And back these screws out a little bit. That doesn't seem to really matter. One. There's the other one. I'm gonna blow this out a little bit. Let's put the cover back on. Uh-oh. Calm down there. There's a screwdriver that came with it. That will work to tighten this cover back down. prefer to have it a little bit tighter. There we go. And then I have this new brush assembly. Put that on there. Use the screwdriver that came with it. I don't want to go too tight on her. That's how I smoked the last one. That seems to be pretty good. Don't want to over tighten it. And check everything out. It looks pretty good. All we gotta do is put it on the ground and see if the brush actually works. Let's see if it'll work. Yeah, it looks like it. Brush is working. And it's normal operation for it. She figures out the diameter of the room, and it looks like it's found a lot of dirt. The floor is pretty dirty. Well, it seems to be working pretty good. See the brush there going around. I'm going to stop it. I don't need it being clogged up by all the junk that's in here on the garage floor. Probably picked some stuff up already. Yeah, you can see that. Seems to be working pretty good. Stump that out. I can turn that off. And there we go. That should do it. Well, that'll do it for installing replacement sweeper motor assembly in my Roomba 560. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.